Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make soup for weight loss. The key is to focus on nutrient-dense, low-calorie ingredients. We'll explore how to maximize flavor and fullness without adding unnecessary fats or sugars. By making smart choices with your base and additions, you can create delicious soups that truly support your weight management goals. This approach helps you feel satisfied with fewer calories, making it an excellent strategy for healthy eating. When crafting your weight loss soup, essential ingredients make all the difference. Load up on non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and bell peppers. They are packed with fiber and nutrients. For protein, opt for lean choices such as chicken breast, turkey, or plant-based options like lentils and beans. Always choose low-sodium broths to manage your salt intake, and don't forget to boost flavor with plenty of herbs and spices instead of unhealthy fats. These choices keep your soup light, yet satisfying. Smart preparation is crucial for effective weight loss soup. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, like onions and garlic, in just 1 or 2 teaspoons of olive oil or a cooking spray. Cook your vegetables until they are tender crisp, ensuring they retain their nutritional value and a pleasant texture. Crucially, avoid high-calorie additions such as cheese, heavy cream, or fried croutons. Instead, garnish with fresh herbs. Preparing a large batch allows for easy meal planning, saving you time and keeping you on track for several days. To effectively use soup for weight loss, integrate it strategically into your diet. Consider replacing 1 or even 2 meals daily with your nutritious, low-calorie soup. A good serving size is typically between 1.5 to 2 cups per meal, providing ample satisfaction without overeating. For an extra boost of nutrients and fiber, pair your soup with a small, simple side salad. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. It helps you stay hydrated and contributes to a feeling of fullness, supporting your weight loss journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.